You know, one of the things that's really fun about Nieco is the fact that everything is done here in Windsor, California. A lot of people in Windsor don't even know we exist or what we do. We're a small company, we sell broilers all over the world, and we do it all out of this facility. It's nice that we have engineering, we have manufacturing, we have research and development, we have customer service, all located under one roof, which makes it very efficient for communicating with each other. What's really fun is when you take tours with people out in the shop and you start walking through the equipment and you look at the orders that are out on the floor, and they'll see, well, this broiler may be staying here in California, and the next one may be going to Russia, and the next one may be going to Australia or China or anywhere else. We sell broilers all over the world out of this facility in Windsor, California.